Good morning from Grandpa Farm. It's July 3rd, 2025, and it's almost 9 a.m. And looks like it's gonna be a pretty day. So far, so good. A lot of sunshine, blue sky. I believe it's 69 degrees right now. All animals are taken care of for now. I have to run to town and get the AC charged on the Tahoe, and then I'll be back, check their waters again. I got a few things I have to do today. Tomorrow's 4th of July and we're taking a full drive trip up the mountains, and we're having a potluck to follow that. Then I gotta get packed for my trip to the Blue Mountains on Monday. So, be busy here coming up in the next few days. Hey, everybody's happy. Well, I'm off to town, so I'll catch you later.